Grummies, welcome back to We Pop Gardening. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing of this 4x4 Pro Kit Grow Tent from Vivosun. Also, we're gonna let y'all know this is our new sponsor. We are a part of the family over there. Super excited to bring this equipment to you guys. Been checking things out for a while. Obviously, I've ran Vivosun in my room for the last 3 years or so. If you go back and check out some of those, you can definitely see what's going on there with the cloner and the 5x5. Their stuff is super durable, and they made some huge advances, so I'm excited to bring you guys this. I'm going to drop a discount code in the description and also a link, so you guys are interested in getting this exact setup. It'll shoot you right over there. Without further ado, we're going to drop into this and get this unboxing underway. I'm going to obviously go into a little more detail here, but I'm just going over what was actually sent with this whole kit so you guys can see everything. There's an inline fan, exhaust fan, which is referred to as the Aerowave fan, which is the clip-on fan over there. They got a cool feature on that, which is natural breeze mode. I'm excited to check all that out. Then it comes with the Grow Hub controller. Obviously, the inline filter, it's the works. They even send you the grow bags over there, some trim scissors, and some plant twist ties. But I'm going to go ahead and get this set up, and I'm going to go into more detail as I open these up. I just wanted to give you guys an overall basis look at what the kit includes if you guys decide you want to order some. But we'll start getting into this in individualness here and go over everything here one by one, and then I'll set the tent up and we'll get this thing rolling. All right, can of fans. So this is the Aero Lightwing LED light. Like I said, it comes with 2 of them. I've been eyeballing these for a minute. Super excited to check these out. Ta-da! This comes with a user manual, which is super cool. They got obviously different options for their Aero light system. These actual LEDs come with the Samsung 301 diodes, the B series. The kit over here obviously includes a couple hangers, it looks like. The connectors, so you can piggyback them off each other, and your power cord. Oh yeah. That will definitely cover that. Man. So I gotta say, this is interesting to me. Being able to adjust your lights accordingly like that, like gives you the different angles on your grow, which is awesome. Adjusting those boards to spread your light to whatever direction you need to go. So this is the Aero Zesh T6. This is the Grow Hub controller. This is going to simplify the growing. It's an all-in-one platform for controlling and monitoring the grow. It's designed for all types of experience levels for growers. The cool thing about this is once you get it set up, you can actually control this from anywhere, as long as it's hooked up to Wi-Fi, on your home Wi-Fi, obviously. But that's super cool because, like, as long as you got service on your phone, you can check on where things are while you're away from the house if you're concerned about it, or want to make adjustments on the temp while you're away. You can do all that from your phone, which I think is a game changer. So obviously it comes with your user manual for both the T6 and the Grow Hub itself, which is cool. Goes in depth. This is a mounting plate. Oh no, maybe not. Let's open this up. See what we got. See what we're working with here. Okay, yeah, mounting hardware for everything, so you can get things set up. I like how all this is coming packaged up. It's easy to get to and access. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I don't know how many of y'all have been dealing with these fan kits, right? They always have the mounts for it for the exterior side. This thing is super light. It's got a connector to connect to your grow hub, which I think is super cool, but check these out. You got hangers, man. So you can hang these up from the tops and inline the run inside the tent if you want to. I'm pretty sure this one has the hangers on it, which I am super excited about that too, because man, can't express it enough. Pre-filter, obviously you can wrap it up in, which is a good thing for like when you're feeding with Gaia or top dressing or anything. This helps preserve the filter itself for you, which is cool. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, it's a slick design right there. Slick design. Oh yeah, and it does come with the hangers. Nice. Yeah, look right here. You see that? I don't want to pull this out. It's got loose carbon in it at the moment, which is a good sign. That means they're using good stuff over there. But it's got D-loops on it to hang them on the inline there, which you'll see once I get this in the tent. What I'm talking about, it's gonna be awesome. All right, so as I stated, this comes with an install kit for your ductwork and your fittings. This kit literally comes with everything you need. I like the fact that this is black too. This is the Aero Wave fan. It's got auto oscillating, propelled with an EC motor. Clips right on the tent for you for easy adjustments. And like I said before, it's got that natural breeze mode, which will give you even more control and improved growing conditions, which I'm super excited about that. Obviously, your user manual comes in the box. Got your mount here for your control base. Gives you degrees at which you can obviously adjust this to, which I think is pretty slick. And that's for mounting your fan on. And then obviously you clip in your pole. You can adapt it to whatever you want. This comes with the cord to connect to your control module, and obviously some zip ties for hanging and whatnot. And, let's check this fan out. Everything I've seen so far has been super cool as far as colors go, and the scheme of it looks sleek and clean. You know what I mean? Like, damn, that's awesome. That right there is cool. I like the green here, and I like the fact that it's black, but it's narrower. And your controls aren't on the back; they're on the top, which will give you easier access when you're reaching in on the tent and trying to get it next to the walls there. So your kit also comes with vent caps. They're mesh screens that go over your vents if you're gonna duct them out anywhere in the room. It helps keep bugs out, obviously dust and things like that as well. The kit also comes with a pretty cool pruning kit here, or pruning scissors. And then obviously they got twist ties for helping you tie down branches, etc. And it's green obviously to match, which is awesome. And then, as I said, these come with 5-gallon grow bags. These are fabric pots. Allow you to get really good airflow to them. They also carry 15-gallon and 20-gallon grow bags. As y'all know, I like bigger pots, and I like to run one plant in a tent. So they were gracious enough to send me these. These are not part of the grow kit, the pro kit, just so y'all are aware. I don't want anybody getting confused and misled, but it does come with these 5 gallons. So this would come as part of the kit for you guys when you go get you some of that. Here is how the tent looks when it's coming out the box. I like that green. I can tell from these bars already. This is solid. It's not as bendy as the other bars are. I know obviously you're gonna have a little bit of flex and play in it, but I like that color. I'm gonna go ahead and start unpacking this. I'm gonna set this up so y'all can see me get the tent itself set up and put in place here. So there it is, 4x4 from Vivosun. Good products, man. I'm telling you, this thing's built to last. That zipper is so smooth. It's a big one, like they're thick. I like that. It's easy to grab a hold of. Ain't got a pin for this little piece up in here. Man, that Mylar, man. That's some good reflective right there. Walls feel thick, feels durable, which is awesome. It's got the spot to hang your controller. Got a whole bunch of access holes. Looks like we got a 8-inch down here, an 8, an 8, an 8, a 6, a 4, and obviously another 4 in the back. It's built nice, guys. Built real nice. Like, you can hear that zipper, man. That is epic. I got a bunch of things I gotta do right quick, so before I do so, I gotta put a hole in the ceiling for the ventilation system. But anyway, let me handle that. We'll be right back. So that's it, Cannon fam. The 4x4 Pro Kit from Vivosun with the 200-watt Aero light wings. Full growth system set up for it. I'm going to leave again the link down in the description there so you guys can head over and check them out. You can use WePop. Save you guys 15%. Yes, I said 15%. It's pretty amazing that they're working with us like that to help you guys out. We're just doing everything we can to give back to the Cannon community. You guys are amazing, and we just always want to do what we can to bring you guys some love. Again, budget friendly, super good product. Looking forward to seeing how things roll out here. Excited to use these lights to get some grows under the belt here and show you guys what they can do. Again, I appreciate y'all. As always, much love, and until next time, peace.